The WallGrill from SteakStones is the most compact and quick-fire way to enjoy cooking outdoors. Our ingenious design lets you enjoy the fun and theatre of barbecuing with none of the hassle of setup and cleaning you typically have when grilling outside. It really is perfect for any space, big or small. We wanted to create something that got you cooking in no time and designed this compact unit made from powder-coated carbon steel. With the addition of our incredible lava stone, this is a super quick and convenient way to cook outdoors in whatever space you have available. The WallGrill is super easy to set up and use. Just open the grill, add your coals, light the fire, insert the stone, and you can get cooking almost straight away. Our lava stone, which has previously been used to cook the steaks of the World Steak Challenge, allows you to cook from the moment the stone is hot, with no need to wait for the coals to turn to embers, and crossing your fingers that there are no flare-ups that instantly burn your food. The stone protects the fire from any oils from the food, and protects the food from any unwanted flames from the fire, while you still get a beautiful sear on your steaks. Cooking on the WallGrill is super easy, and there's plenty of space for all your favourite barbecue food. The searing heat of our lava stone traps in all the juices and succulence of your chosen meat, fish or vegetables. And with no oils or fats required, it's a fun, fresh and healthy way to cook, and makes every mouthful more succulent than it would be on a standard grill barbecue, where the moisture can simply disappear into the flames. With no burning of the food, you're also not exposed to the normal harmful carcinogens from a regular flame-fueled barbecue. The dry, searing heat of our stone is perfect for cooking steaks. It's sensational for sausages, lovely for lamb, and also very, very good for vegetables. Once you finish cooking, you can either plate up your food the standard way, or move the stone to the table in our bamboo holder to keep that lovely heat in your meat for longer than any other presentation. And it's time to enjoy your barbecued food in almost no time at all. Once you've enjoyed your delicious meal, just scoop out the used coals, close up the grill, and a quick clean of the stone, and you'll be ready to get grilling in no time, next time, with the wonderful WallGrill from SteakStones. So if you love cooking outdoors and are looking for a super compact and convenient way to do this, please back us now, and we'll get you sizzling on your sensational WallGrill very soon.